The training through Solid Solutions was completely invaluable. It meant that the guys didn't just muddle on and find things out for themselves, which often leads to either mistakes or errors that cascade in the system.
So I mean, I can like call up anyone from the team and just say, I'm struggling with this add-on, can you give me a hand? And they do it there and then. That's pretty amazing, that kind of support. There's loads of training, and they know a lot of stuff.
All the team seems, to quite easily be able to adapt with quite a little bit of training, really, from the support from Solid Solutions, and we're up and running quite soon.
Once you sort of get into the classes and you sort of mix with people, you'll find the instructors help you along. It's sped up my learning process a lot.
We fully utilise the support desk as well, so it's a great backup having someone at the end of the phone able to answer all your technical queries at any point.
It's been really useful having our partnership with Solid Solutions. The breadth of knowledge and facilities they have is incredible. It's incredibly reassuring knowing that we have that expertise and input at the end of a phone call. We know that they have the specialists in-house that we can talk to without having to necessarily dumb down the information. There's no language barrier issues there. We can speak to them engineer to designer and work through to find a solution.
We would say that training is really vital for this kind of thing, just because you will never be able to expand your knowledge as much as if you actually sat down with like a dedicated person teaching you SOLIDWORKS.
The training and support we've had from that has been fantastic. We send an email off, and within an hour we either get a phone call or an email back.
I can't fault Solid Solutions for all of their support sort of ongoing over the sort of first 12 months of actually using the software as well.
Every single problem that we had, Solid Solution was always there, almost holding our hands and helping with solving all the little and bigger issues. The answer were always there.